Reference the owner's manual for detailed instructions. Determine where the in-wall safe will be installed. Make the measurements and install the in-wall safe in the desired location. Securely fasten the inner hardware to the 2x4s. Remove the magnetic cover and insert the override key to open the safe. Make sure to store the override key in a secure location outside of the safe. Remove the battery cover and insert a new 9-volt battery. Open the safe with the override key or the default access code. Remove the rubber cover and press the program button. Place a finger on the scanner 3 times to register a finger vein ID. Up to 50 finger vein IDs can be registered at once. To erase all finger vein IDs, press and hold the program button for 5 seconds, and then press the 4 key. Press the program button and enter a new 4 to 6-digit code. Press the program button again to confirm, and repeat the process. Only one code can be stored at a time. After 3 incorrect entries, an alarm is activated and a 2-minute lockout will occur. Enter a correct passcode, finger vein ID, or remove the battery to end the lockout.